Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really special to show you. If you're into photography or just love taking amazing shots with your smartphone, then you're definitely going to want to stick around for this. Introducing the APEXEL camera phone lens 100mm macro lens. This high-end series product is designed to give you unbelievable image quality and clarity, making your smartphone photos look like they were taken with a professional DSLR camera. One of the things I love about this lens is its unique design concept inspired by the Chinese tea ceremony. The teacup appearance not only looks elegant, but it also provides a non-slip grip with the built-in bezels. Ingenious design to protect your phone from scratches, so you can have peace of mind while capturing your shots. But that's not all. This lens comes with a silicone case and a portable bag, making it super convenient for you to take with you on your photo adventures while keeping the lens protected. And speaking of convenience, the APEXEL lens is compatible with almost all single and dual camera phones, so no matter what smartphone you have, you can take your photography to the next level. But let's get to the real magic, the lens itself. With a 100mm macro lens and a 10x super macro lens, you can capture stunning close-up shots with incredible detail and clarity. The shot distance is between 40–70 mm, which makes it perfect for capturing the beauty of the micro world. And the best part, you can enhance your photography even further by using the included CPL and star filter. The CPL removes unwanted reflections from non-metallic surfaces while enhancing color saturation, and the star filter creates a dramatic star pattern effect, perfect for night scenes and capturing reflections. So, if you're ready to take your smartphone photography to the next level, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the APEXEL camera phone lens 100mm macro lens. Trust me, you won't regret it. Happy shooting!